Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a macaron box. First, gather your essential tools and materials. You'll need sturdy cardstock, a reliable ruler, a sharp craft knife, and a good adhesive. Make sure your cardstock is at least 80 pounds for durability. Also, set up a clean, protected workspace with a cutting mat to ensure safety and precision during the crafting process. Now, let's focus on precise measurements. Carefully measure and mark your cardstock to create the box template. For a standard macaron box, aim for a 2.5-inch square base and side panels that are also 2.5 inches tall. Once marked, use a scoring tool or a dull knife to gently score all your fold lines. This step is crucial for achieving clean, professional-looking folds without tearing the paper. With your lines scored, it's time to cut. Using your sharp craft knife, carefully cut along all the solid lines of your template. Take your time to ensure straight edges. Once cut, fold along every scored line to start giving your box its three-dimensional shape. Finally, apply a strong craft glue to the designated tabs and press them firmly together to secure the box's structure. Hold for a few seconds until the glue sets. Your macaron box is almost complete. Now comes the fun part, decorating. Personalize your box with ribbons, stickers, or custom labels to match your occasion or brand. For an extra touch of elegance, consider adding a clear acetate window to showcase your delicious macarons. This makes for a beautiful presentation. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks, perfect for gifting or treating yourself, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.